Hello students, example 1.9. Given f of x is equal to 2x minus x square, find, we have three subdivisions here, f of 1, f of x plus 1, f of x plus f of 1, right? So, first of all you have to clearly understand f of x plus 1 is not equal to f of x plus f of 1. These two are different, right? We have to separately find out the answers for these two subdivisions, right? Some of them may think f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus f of 1, right? It is wrong, right? Okay. So now the equation is f of x is equal to 2x minus x square. We have to find out these three subdivisions. So let's go one by one. What is the first one? F of 1. Already we solved problems like this, right? So f of 1, which means we have to substitute 1 in the place of x, right? We have to substitute 1 in the place of x. So in this equation, f of something means we have to substitute what is inside in this bracket. For example, this is f of 1. So we have to substitute 1 in the place of x. F of 2 means we have to substitute 2 in the place of x. 3 means 3. 4 means 4. F of y means we have to substitute y in the place of x. So whatever given inside this bracket, we have to substitute that value in the place of x in this given equation, right? That is the concept. First of all, you have to understand this. So now f of 1. So we have to find out f of 1. F of 1 is nothing but we have to substitute 1 in the place of x in this equation. So 2x minus x square. Here we have x. So in the place of x, I have to substitute 1. So 2 into 1, right? If there is no sign in between, it means it is multiplication, right? So 2 into 1 minus, here we have one more x. So in the place of this x, I have to substitute 1. So 1. But here one more square is there. So minus 1 whole square. And one more thing, this minus is not the sign of this 1. This minus is separate. Some of them may think minus 1 square. So minus 1 square is plus 1. So some of them may put plus 1 here. It is wrong. This minus, it is not the sign for this one, right? This is separate. So, okay. F of 1. F of 1 is nothing but we have to substitute 1 in the place of x. So in this place of x, I have to substitute 1. So 2 into 1 minus, again in the place of x, I have to substitute 1. So 1 square. So 2 into 1 is 2. Minus, it is given in the question, minus 1 square. 1 square is plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Therefore, f of 1 is 1. Answer is 1. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Next one is f of x plus 1. So what is inside the bracket? X plus 1, which means I have to substitute x plus 1 in the place of x here. So let's substitute 2. Here we have x. So in the place of x, what I have to substitute? X plus 1. So 2 into x plus 1. Again minus, it is given in the question, x square. So in the place of x, I have to substitute x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 square. So now, we have to simplify this. So 2 into x plus 1. So this 2 is common for this both x and 1. So we have to multiply this 2 inside. Therefore 2 into x, that is 2x. 2 into 1. So plus is already here. So plus 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the part of this one. 2x plus 2. So minus is given in the question. So now it is like a plus b whole square. X plus 1 whole square. So it is like a plus b whole square. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Here in the place of a, what is here? X. So in the place of a, here we have x. In the place of b, here we have 1. So a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 here. So we have to substitute a square, which means x square plus b square. What is b? 1. So plus 1 square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into what is a? X. What is b? 1. Right? So now we have to simplify. this 2x plus 2 minus x square, it is x square, plus 1 square is what? 1, plus 2 into x into 1. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into x is 2x, right? So now the same 2x plus 2. Here this minus is commonly outside here, so this minus is common for all these elements. So we have to multiply this minus inside the bracket, so which means all the signs should change. So x square is positive, so it becomes negative. 1 is positive, it becomes negative. 2x is positive, it becomes negative, right? I simply multiply this minus inside, right? Now plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Minus x square is here, so minus x square. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Therefore f of x plus 1 is equal to minus x square plus 1. F of x plus 1 is equal to minus x square plus 1, right? So nothing, it is very simple. F of x plus 1 is nothing but we have to substitute x plus 1 in the place of x in this equation. So 2 into x, so for this x I have to substitute x plus 1. So 2 into x plus 1 minus, again we have x here, x plus 1 the whole square. Now we have to multiply this 2 inside, so 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 1, 2, minus, it is like a plus b the whole square. So what is in the place of a? X. What is in the place of b? 1. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have to substitute. A square, what is a? X. So x square plus b square, what is b? 1. So plus 1 square plus 2ab plus 2 ab. A is x, b is 1. So x into 1. So again x square is x square, 1 square is 1, 2 into x into 1 is 2x, right? So this minus is common for all these elements, so I have to multiply this minus inside, so all the signs should change. So positive means negative, so x square is positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, it becomes negative. So now after this we have to simplify. 2x plus 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1, minus x square is here, so minus x square plus 1. So this is the answer for f of x plus 1, right? And the last subdivision is f of x plus f of 1. F of x plus f of 1. We have to find out f of x and f of 1. After that we have to add. F of x is given in the question itself. Question is f of x, 2x minus x square. So f of x is 2x minus x square. F of 1 is the first subdivision. Already we found out. What is the answer? 1. Therefore 2x minus x square, that is f of x value, plus f of 1 value is 1. That's all. So now we have to write the equation in order, in a standard form. So power, biggest power should come first. So minus x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the answer for f of x plus f of 1. So that's all about this problem. Thank you.